All right, are you Joshua Almore?
Yes, sir.
All right, we have 3 cases here. The first one is the case of Joshua Almore, State v. Joshua Almore, 1 CR 144. And so in that case, the defendant entered plea of guilty on December 3rd to breaking and entering, and there was a sentencing hearing set January 6th. The defendant then failed to report, failed to appear, so one petition for defense arrest. So in that case, the court will set the sentencing hearing for February 16th at 2:30 p.m. There'll be no bail in that case. Since you've entered plea guilty, you're no longer entitled to bail on that case. Now, there are 2 new indictments that have been returned by the grand jury anymore. First case is 22 CR 26. And in that case, you're charged with failure to appear in 21 CR 144 case for your sentencing hearing on January 6th. And that is a 4-3 felony, and convicted carries a possible prison term between 6 and 18 months and a fine of $5,000. You're entitled to have an attorney to represent you, and if you can't afford to hire one corporate appointment for you, I believe you did a financial disclosure form, so that court will appoint Attorney William Armentrout to represent you. And in the absence of counsel, I'll enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Set your first pretrial for February the 16th at 2:30 p.m. We will Zoom. Your final pretrial will be March 2nd at 1:00 p.m. And your trial date will be March the 21st at 8 a.m. Bond on that will be an OR only. We don't have to mess around with another hearing. Bond review. But as I said, it's being held without bond in the other case, so it doesn't really matter. And all the standard terms that applied in the previous case will apply as well. But again, you won't be able to make even. There's no point in posting bond because you're not getting out in the other case. All right, now in case number 22 CR 44. You were indicted by the grand jury on 3 counts of aggravated trafficking of methamphetamine and 3 counts of aggravated possession of methamphetamine. The first count alleges that on about October 8, 2020, in this county, you knowingly sold or offered to sell methamphetamine. Count 2 alleges you did the same thing, except you possessed it. Knowingly possessed it on the same date and time. Count 3 alleges that on about January 31, 2021, you knowingly sold or offered to sell methamphetamine. Count 4 alleges that you knowingly possessed it on the same date. And then count 5 alleges on or about February 7th, 2021, you knowingly sold drugs, methamphetamine. Count 6 says that on or about February 7th, you possessed it. The trafficking counts are 4th-degree felonies and carry possible prison terms convicted between 6 and 18 months, fine of $5,000. The 3 5th-degree felonies, possession of power, carry possible prison term between 6 and 12 months, fine of $2,500. All of them carry possible license suspension of 6 months to 5 years. You're entitled to have an attorney in these cases as well, and I see that, again, we do have your financial form. The court will appoint Mr. Arthur Trout in that case as well, and enter not guilty plea on your behalf. First pretrial will be set for February the 16th at 2:30 p.m. There'll be a Zoom hearing. Final pretrial February the 2nd at 2:30 p.m. And then the trial date on this case will be March the 24th at 8 a.m. And the OR bond will apply in that case as well. But again, it doesn't make any difference because I'm not going to get out of jail on the other case. All right. You have any questions, Mr. Moore?